Advait Infratech Limited, founded by Mr. Shalin Sheth in 2009, is a family of engineers, managers, construction professionals, consultants, and accountants with offices in India and sites around the world. The company has transitioned from a trading and consultancy firm to a marketing pioneer in manufacturing stringing tools and ACS wires and OPGW operations. Advait Infratech is listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange main board and specializes in providing prime quality OPGW, OFC cables, ACS wires, and robust lab testing facilities for various industries. We also offer turnkey telecom projects, power transmission, substation services, renewables, and overseas marketing. Advait Infratech is a trusted partner for power transmission, substation, and telecommunication infrastructure, and provides end-to-end solutions to its customers. Milestones that exemplify our dedication to sustainability include the nation's first green hydrogen project, a strategic partnership with Guofu, being a climate partner with Eclerx, and the development of a solar park in Uttarakhand. Director's message from Mr. Shalin Sheth emphasizes the importance of persistence and determination in achieving success and outlines the remarkable journey of Advait Infratech since its inception.